Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Peace here, and today I'm going to be showing you my everyday makeup look. As you can see, it's cute, it's simple, it's popping. If you're new to my channel, karibu sana sana sana. Please click the subscribe button, join the Peace family. If you're returning to my channel, you're so welcome. Karibu. And yeah, without further ado, let's get on to the video. Disclaimer, this is not a makeup tutorial. I am not a makeup guru, so whichever mistakes you see, please forgive me. Okay. First things first, I'm going to moisturize my face, and I'm using Vaseline. And my face is really oily, so I don't apply a lot. And then we're going to do our eyebrows. These days I use the black eye pencil and the brown eye pencil. The brown one, the black one, it's black, but the other one is in Davis 003, the common one. So I just use the eye pencil to outline my eyes, my eyebrows, and then I fill it in with the brown eye pencil. As you can see, they look very cute. If you want a detailed tutorial about how to shape your eyebrows, how to do them, I'll link the video below. I have a video already about that, so I'm not gonna be over explaining this step. Okay. The next step, I'm going to be applying foundation. I know I have not primed. I know I've not primed, so nisiulizo maswali. But yeah, I am using Maybelline Fit Me in shade 375, but I found out that it's not my shade, and it also doesn't match my red undertone, so you will see it leaving a grayish cast on me. But I tried to fix that with concealer, so I had mixed it with concealer. But yeah, I'm trying to get a new foundation which will be my undertone. I'm still researching to find out which it is, but I'll make this work. So for what I can tell you, for foundation, the secret is to blend, and don't use the brush, like don't rub it again on your face. Just pat that foundation in. As you can see, just patting it makes your foundation blend very well, and it looks seamless. Yeah, so pat. That is a tip I learned from Joanna Kinothia. Shout out to you, girl. Okay. And then to set the foundation, I know I'm using baby powder. Imagine. Yeah, but that's the powder I have. I use the black opal powder, but it's squished, so I'm using the baby powder. I use very minimal because it can make you look white if you use too much. So I'm just using it in the areas where I feel like my face might look greasy at the end of the day. And yeah, and then I'm going to do my eyes. I'm using that palette there, which imechapa sana, lakini msiulize maswali. Yeah, I don't remember what brand, but you can use whichever you have. So I'm priming my eyes with a Legal Pro Concealer in shade Toast. So I'm applying that concealer and then blending it in my eyelids, and this helps the eyeshadow to pop. It helps the eyeshadow to pop and to also last, I think, not to rub off. Then I'm using that brown shade on the crease. The crease is, as you can see, it's the area where your eye goes in. I don't know how to explain, but it's below your eyebrow and on top of your eye. So since I have hooded eyes, I like to apply it on the crease and a little bit on top so that it can be seen. So I use that brown shade, and then I use that orange shade on the eyelid, and I blend that in all these two shades are not creamy, they are a bit powder like, so they're not really, they don't have a rich color, but I like it because it's very minimal. So I use that all over my lids, making sure every part is covered. And then finally I'm using that shimmery shade, which is like a brown, a light brown shade, and I'm using it on the lower side of the lid, and on top of the lid kidogo, just to make the eyes shine and pop and look cute. 36 important questions that brought me near to you. 'Cause you sing to me, we sing. And the next step, I'm highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. I really love this step. It makes your eyes look bigger and you look cute. Yeah, so that's what I'm doing, and you should use like a shade that is shiny, or like a highlighter, the one that you like to highlight. You can use that, and still from the eyeshadow palette. And then here I am lining my lower lash line with the black eye pencil that I used on my eyebrows, and mascara. So mascara should be applied like, take your time. Watch Patricia Kihoro's video on her everyday makeup look. She really takes time to apply the mascara. And then for lipstick, I'm using NYX lipstick. I love the shade because it's red and it makes my lips pop. It's also matte, so the lipstick stays the whole day, doesn't come off when I eat or when I drink anything. I don't like creamy lipsticks because of that. And then finally highlighting the top of my lips, and that is the color look, guys. How do I look? Please leave me a comment, let me know. And if you enjoyed this video, please click the subscribe button and the like, and I will see you in the next video. Bye guys.